Hey guys, welcome back to TrulyAlexus. If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe down below so you'll become a member of the True Gang. If you're an OG True Gang member, welcome back. I'm glad to see that you're back. But anyway, I'm back again with another video. Actually, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So recently I purchased my first luxury bag. Okay, let me back up. I had luxury in the past, but this is like luxury, like high-end luxury. Like I've had Dooney and Burke, Coach. I recently posted my Telfar bags, like unboxing and styling them and stuff like that. Michael Kors, stuff like that. Lower end luxury, I guess you could say. But I purchased a high-end luxury item with my hard-earned money. I just want to go ahead and add in a disclaimer here. 1 second. All right, a short disclaimer. I did spend my hard-earned money. I shouldn't even have to say this, but anyway, I'm going to say it anyway. If you're going to write anything negative or leave a thumbs down or just have anything negative to say, you can go ahead and exit out of this video because it was not made for you. Thank you. Moving forward with the video, I'm just going to give like a little backstory on what I purchased and then show y'all the item. So basically, I had seen this bag probably like 3 months ago, but I put it at the back of my head because I was like, it's not time yet. I might spoil myself with something whenever I graduate. If you didn't know, I just graduated my 2nd degree. I got my master's degree from SCAD Atlanta. I might do like a get ready with me and answer questions about grad school and stuff like that. Let me know if y'all want to see that down below. Just tell me in the comments, and then I might do on Instagram, like just ask me any questions to be featured in the video. I've been thinking about that. So if you would like to see that video, definitely let me know in the comments. But anyway, I was thinking of like, what could I buy myself, you know, after I graduated? And I really wanted a new car, but I was like, I have a car. I don't have any payments on my car because I got my car when I was in high school. Thank you, Mom. She paid for it. It's a cash car, so I don't have any payments for that. And my car is working fine. So I was like, it would be dumb of me. And my mom actually told me it wouldn't be smart for me to get a new car knowing that I have a working car and then add on a car payment. Like, why would I do that? Plus, I have student loans, so I need to, you know, become adjusted to paying those. So I'm going to wait on that, but I needed to buy myself something because, I mean, all these years of school, y'all, I'm finally out of school. A's, like 3.9 GPA in grad school. Who does that? Me. Anyway, I just feel like I deserve it. I have the money. I got a new job in September. It's a corporate job. I'm very proud of the job that I landed. I'm just proud of where I am in life, so I decided to treat myself. That's all. So, more about the bag. I saw the bag online like 3 months ago. I don't know how. And then the other day I went into Nordstrom's because I had ordered some Uggs online and did curbside pickup, but they didn't. I guess they fit because I went in the store and tried on the size up, but that size was too big. So I was like, okay, whatever. Like, I'm just going to keep the size that I have, which all of my other Uggs are a size 8. And I got the same size, but they're just snug. I don't know. Maybe they'll stretch. But anyway, after I tried on the 9 and it didn't work, I was like, let me go look at the bag. We'll see if they have the bag in St. Laurent. So I was in Phipps Plaza. If you're from Atlanta or you visited here, you know Phipps has all the luxury stores or whatever. If you haven't visited here, you're not from here, Lennox is the mall that everyone talks about, but Phipps is the mall with all the luxury stores. So I went to St. Laurent. There was one bag left. So I asked the lady, I was like, can I look at it? And she was just showing me. She took the paper off. I was like, this is a sign. But I didn't get it. I was like, if it's still in my mind, I'll come back tomorrow. And I wanted to bring my friend with me, just, you know, just because every single time I make like large purchases, like my MacBook, my Apple Watch, like, I don't know, like I need somebody else to like push me to actually do it. Shout out to my little, because without him, I would not have my MacBook or my Apple Watch or my upgraded phone. But anyway, yeah, I was like, so if she gives me that push, I'm gonna go get it. And so she was like, I was texting her the day before, and I was like, yeah, I went to see it, and it was the only one. It must be a sign. She was like, yes. She was like, you should see if they can put it on hold. So I called, and they put it on hold. And we went back the next day and I got the bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I don't want this video to be uber duper long, so let's get into it. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. This is the bag. If you follow me on IG, you've seen it. If not, I'll put it right here at _TrulyAlexus. So the bag has like a magnetic closer. Well, it did, but I don't know, it's acting up right now. But anyway, this is the box. This is the box. Okay, so that was the box. Let me find the receipt because I know people are gonna want to know. Y'all, the train always comes at the wrong times. Anyway, so the bag was $13.50 and I spent a total of $14.70.15. I was not expecting tax to be that high, y'all. Was not even thinking about the tax. I don't know what I was thinking. Whenever she said the price, I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna insert my car. But the tax was $120.15. But anyway, it's okay. So this is what the box looks like. I'm gonna try to open it like this. Ta-da! Okay, so it's wrapped up. Let me adjust the camera. One sec. Okay, y'all, please ignore my bed. I'm washing my sheets right now, so this is like an old sheet. But this is the box, and it's just a sticker that says Saint Laurent. I'm gonna open it. I haven't opened it, and I got this bag on Sunday because I've been waiting to do the video. Okay, so it's in a dust bag. So this is the bag. It's so pretty. Okay, this is the bag. It's the Toy Lulu quilted patent leather. The fact that I remember the name, y'all know I did my research. Okay, so it just has a button snap, and then it does come with a strap, so you can wear it as a clutch or crossbody. And so the strap is patent leather too. Just gonna throw that on the ground. So yeah, and it just snaps on both sides like a normal crossbody. But I like the fact that you can wear it two ways. And then this is the inside. So a middle divider. Let me take all the paper out, sorry. This is the Authenticity card, I'm sure. Yep, I'm not gonna show y'all that, but the outside, paper, and then this is the middle. It does have like a card holder right here, and then two spots, and then a zipper compartment. All right, I'm gonna adjust the camera. One sec. Okay, y'all, so actually this is the receipt. I forgot they do this. I saw this on the videos. Okay, so this is actually the receipt, another copy, and the Authenticity card is in the zipper pocket. So I will open this up, and it comes like this. Let me see. Oh, it's cute. Okay. I will need to keep this by my social. Okay, what is all this? I'm definitely gonna need to read this off camera, but it's just the care instructions, y'all. Just the care instructions. Okay, so yes, this is the bag. I love her. I don't know what I should name her, but y'all, I'm so excited. And I had looked for her on Farfetch, Net-a-Porter, The Real. I was really interested in doing resale. I mean, I have nothing against vintage selling and reselling and secondhand. I was trying to find her, but they only had her without the patent leather. It was just like the plain, well, not plain, but just the black one. It wasn't patent leather. And I was really hooked on this patent leather. So this is her. She's so cute. I'm so excited. Let me put her on. So yeah, this is her. And also, I'd like to say before I end this video, I was so nervous making that purchase. Like, I know I already told y'all that I have to have somebody like to push me to make the purchase, but I swear, like, my hand was shaking while I was up there. I was like, she was like, can I see your ID? And I was like, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm really happy. I'm really happy that I went through with the purchase. And also, I'd like to add in that I did a lot of research before, like, settling on, not settling because I love the bag, excuse me. Before deciding on this bag, even though I first saw it and I loved it, I had searched other people's YouTube videos, like, what's the best bag to get for your first luxury bag? Like, oh my gosh, I watched so many videos. I've read so many blogs and articles, and this was one of the bags, not necessarily the patent leather, but just the Toy Lulu YSL bag. And so, yeah, that makes me feel confident too. But I definitely can see myself wearing this bag for a long time. And if, like, I get tired of it, I could just resell it because that's the perk of luxury items. Can't wait to buy more things, more luxurious things. Black woman in luxury, period. We deserve it. If you have something you have your eye on and you have the money for it, get it. You deserve it. You only live once. YOLO. It is what it is. If nobody else will do it for you, do it for yourself. You heard it from me here first. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my bag, give this video a thumbs up. If you don't, still give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and also hit the notification bell down below. Make sure that you follow me on IG at _TrulyAlexus. And yes, thank you for tuning in for this video. Have a great day, True Gang.